Hi, today we are going to show you some very special pure Mysore silk crepe sarees manufactured at our factory. These Mysore crepe sarees are very traditional sarees. The first saree of the day is
This is very good unusual combination. This is a heavy grammage of crepe and you get a jacquard weave all over the body. On that you get very good designer buttis on it, golden zari butta. The combination is very good. You get a turquoise blue with a geometrical zari weave on it, and this is easy to carry. The colors are fast colors. The combination is very unusual. Very good light lemon yellow with turquoise blue combination. The pallu is rich with a stripy zari on it. The blouse is turquoise blue with golden border for the sleeves.
Start.
This is second sari of the day, our pure Mysore crepe silk Deepam's designer collection. This is a very beautiful combination which you get magenta pink with dark navy blue combination. The border of the sari is really very intricate, which you get a yali floral and you get a intricate zari border. The pallu is contrast navy blue. Again the pallu, it has got the jari weave, solid zari work, yali and designer weaving on it. The blouse is contrast blue with zari border, and this is very lightweight and heavy grammage which can be worn for a parties, even for a weddings also you can carry. It's a beautiful sari. This is third sari of the day, our Deepam pure Mysore crepe designer collection. This is a heavy grammage of crepe which you get a very good bottle green with a magenta pink contrast, and this special is 1000 butta jari weave sari, and it has got the very tiny rudrakshi zari weave on all over the sari. 1000 buttas on it. This is very traditional and very designer exclusive designs kind of a sari. The border is rich floral zari on it, contrast pink with rudrakshi zari also is there in that, and the pallu is rich solid zari work in the pallu, pink contrast paisley designs in the pallu. The blouse is pink contrast with bottle green border, and that you get a rudrakshi border also. This is very lightweight sari and heavy grammage. You can feel it, and the colors are very good. All these are our factory make, which you get a fast colors. This is fourth saris of the day, our Deepam's pure Mysore crepe designer collection sari. This is the traditional combination. It's a beautiful combination which you get a purple blue with a pink contrast, and this is a very special border which you get kadiyal design. This is called as a kadiyal border, traditional, and you get a rudrakshi stripes and small dotted zari on it. The pallu is beautiful pallu, contrast pink you get with a golden zari. The blouse is contrast pink with purple blue border for the sleeves. This is fifth sari of the day, our Deepam's designer pure Mysore crepe collection. This is called as MS blue, which is really very much in fashion now, and this is with a turquoise blue which has got the intricate paisley zari weave on it. This is a 100 years old designer jari weave which is still now fashion on. The color contrast is very good, which you get a turquoise blue contrast pallu. Blouse is plain with the border, jari golden border, and this is MS Subbulakshmi is owned for our stage programs, which is very famous and dignified sari, lightweight and fast colors. This is sixth sari of the day, Deepam's designer pure Mysore crepe collection. This is a heavy grammage of crepe and lightweight sari. There's a beautiful color combination which you get parrot green with a magenta pink border. It has got the 4-inch borders. You get a diamond intricate zari weave border. The pallu is beautiful pink contrast with zari weave. The blouse is contrast pink with zari border with a diamond design on it, and it's very lightweight, easy to carry, and it's fast color. This is sixth sari of the day, Deepam's pure Mysore crepe designer collection saris. And this is a very good combination. You get a royal blue with a maroon color contrast traditional sari, which you get a solid zari work. This has got the 11-inch border, both the sides, 11-inch border. On that, the speciality is from here 8-inch will be a maroon color with the solid zari work. The top border will be a mustard golden color. This is a 2-inch border. On that, intricate zari weave is done. The color contrast is maroon color contrast with golden zari on it. The blouse is contrast maroon with solid zari work for the sleeves. And this is a traditional and very elegant and beautiful combination. This is 8th sari of the day, Deepam's designer pure Mysore crepe collections. This is very fabulous color combination which you get golden orange with a black contrast border. The border work is solid workmanship which you get trees, birds, peacocks, animals on it. It's a beautiful zari work. The pallu is black contrast with golden zari. It has got the very good contrast black blouse with the golden border for the sleeves. And this is also heavy grammage crepe. You can feel it. It's very lightweight, easy to carry. It drapes very well. This is 9th sari of the day, Deepam's pure Mysore crepe designer collection. This is very beautiful combination which you get cream body with contrast red border. This can be worn for weddings, mugurtams and any occasion, and these are like a evergreen combination. It never goes out of fashion. It's a very nice and beautiful intricate checks on it. The checks are really very different. This is called as a Muttu Zari check stripes on it. The body is, you get all over the body with the check stripes with the Muttu Zari and red contrast border. The border is intricately, it has done the zari border. The pallu is beautiful again. You get a solid zari motifs on it. The color contrast maroon blouse you get with the golden border, and always you can carry. This can be party wear and weddings also. It's a beautiful combination. This is 10th sari of the day, Deepam's pure Mysore crepe designer collections. This is a beautiful combination which you get turquoise blue with magenta pink, and top of that 2-inch of orange color zari border on it. The body checks is really very different. It's not a regular kind of a checks. It has got the 3 stripes, and in between will be a 1 stripes with the golden zari. Intricately the zari stripes are done. The workmanship is good, and color contrast magenta pink with orange, 2-inch of orange with intricate zari weave again. The pallu is beautiful pink with the designer zari pallu work. The blouse is contrast pink with a golden border for the sleeves, and this is also heavy grammage crepe, and it's very lightweight, easy to drape, fast colors.
These beautiful Mysore crepe sarees are available on both our showrooms, on our MG Road showroom and Jayanagar showroom. We are very well sanitized with high standard of safety, and people have appreciated us for our beautiful saris and the safety measures what we have taken after the COVID. Please do visit our MG Road and Jayanagar showroom and buy these lovely, beautiful Mysore crepe silk collection saris. Right.